What's up, YouTube? I always hate it when people say that. So, I need y'all's help. Number one, I started tweeting, and y'all, Twitter's live. Like, I had no idea. Shout out to Colin Schmelbeck. He's the one that talked me into it ultimately. But I started tweeting. I started playing with Twitter. I don't know what it is. I'm a Twitterer now. I've got 1,700 followers, and I'm saying some real stuff, y'all. Like, I've got, providing value in Twitter is interesting. It's quite a departure from YouTube just in terms of the paradigm that you're assuming, but I'm having a ton of fun. So if you want to go follow me on Twitter, say nice things about me, like and retweet and all the other things. And I don't know what I'm doing. So if I'm doing something stupid, like I've actually gotten some really good advice from people. Apparently I was doing threads entirely wrong. And a really nice guy reached out to me and he's like, "Hey bro, you're screwing this up. Like here's how you fix it." So would love y'all's input on this ongoing little journey that I'm on to be nerd famous. But here's the reason for the video. I compiled a list that I think would be really helpful for everybody. I'm just going through and I'm putting a list together of everybody that I think is a thought leader in the Google Ads space or is worth paying attention to. Like, I don't think that the Ad Liaison's account provides anything other than lies, but we need to know what it is that they're saying. So I've got all the folks that I'm following for Google Ads information, people that I learned from. There's our boy Colin. Super smart folks. You're going to recognize these names. I want to know who you follow and who you think we should add to this list. You don't necessarily have to agree with them. I'm not going to agree with everything that Fred Vallis says, but I love him. He's brilliant, and he should be paid attention to. So I've also got Mike Rhodes here. I think I need to refresh this because it looked like Mike wasn't. There we go. I had forgotten him, which was a massive oversight. Super smart guy. So there's my question for you. Who in the Twitter sphere needs to be followed in the Google Ads space? I want to add them to this list, and then I'm going to include a link to this list in the description of this video because you should be following them too. And we want to make sure that we're putting a spotlight on the people that are providing real value on a consistent basis, true thought leaders. I don't want, how do I say this without, I want people that do, you know what I mean? So I don't want to just get if they've got a course, I don't care. Don't care about their course. I don't care about their channel. I don't care how many Twitter followers they have if they're not actually running ads. They need to have their finger to the pulse. They need to be really close to the seat of power. I don't know what it is I was about to say there, but you know what I'm getting at. Folks that you would want to follow, and let's compile them all in one space, and then let's try to find an opportunity to really. I'm just going to steal all their content from my YouTube channel. Yeah, that's it. Follow me on Twitter. Help me be Twitter famous. Let me know who else should be in this Twitter list. Follow the list. And let's help the people that are providing real content and lift them above the folks that are providing all the BS. That's all I got. Appreciate y'all. I'll see you tomorrow. Wait, before you go, I'm constantly looking for amazing people to come join our team. So if you're passionate about Google Ads and you're passionate about customer success, please go to solate.com/apply, and we'd love to see you as a part of the Solutions 8 team. Also, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. It lets the YouTube algorithm know that we actually know what we're doing. And don't forget to subscribe. We shoot a video every single day, and I don't want you to miss out on any of it. Lastly, if you have questions, comments, concerns, confessions, or you just hate my face and my voice, go ahead and hit us up in the comments. We get very little human interaction, and even the heckling is something that I kind of get a kick out of. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you for being subscribers if you're a subscriber. Don't forget to apply if you're interested in working at Solutions 8. Otherwise, I'll see you tomorrow.